friends. Today I'll be going over our math lesson 15-1, starting with reteaching. I'm going to make my screen 100%. And our unit 15 or topic 15 is all about polygons. And polygons are just a simple name for a shape or a fancy word for shape. So here it says a polygon is a closed plane figure made up of line segments. Common polygons have names that tell the number of sides the polygon has. So basically this means if it's closed, it means there's, it's like all the dots have been connected. There's no opening. So if this was like a container of water and I poured out that triangle, if I turned it and there was a hole in it, it wouldn't be closed. It would be an open shape, such as this one right here. So they're all closed. And then they have to be made of line segments. You're not going to find any curved lines with polygons. So then there's a special word called a regular polygon, and it has sides of equal length and angles of equal measure. So an isosceles or an equilateral triangle would be a regular polygon, which is one shown here. So if something's sides are not the same length, it can't be a regular polygon. So what we're going to do right here, we are going to name the polygon and then tell if it's regular or not. So this one is, now we might call this a trapezoid if we were being fancy, but right now I think our only 5 options are these. So this is a 4-sided shape, so it is a quadrilateral. And since it is not, I do not think that this side and this side are the same, and I can definitely tell this side and this side are not equal in length, I'm going to put not regular. Okay, for this one is a hexagon. And it looks like those typical shapes that you guys we practiced when we were in kindergarten and 1st and 2nd grade. It looks like all the sides are equal, so I'm going to mark this as regular, and my word hexagon just disappeared, so I'm going to retype that. Okay, this one is a 5-sided shape, and any 5-sided shape is called a pentagon. And it looks as if these are not all equal, so I'm going to put not regular. Now this triangle looks like it's all the same length, so I'm going to label it as triangle. We don't have to say what kind it is for this paper, and we're going to put it as regular because it looks like all of those sides are the same length. Okay, now we're going to look at this group here. It says Shakira sorted shapes into 2 different groups. Use geometric terms to describe how she sorted the shapes. So I would suggest we go back up here and look right here in these definitions, and then we're going to make it fancy because you have me modeling this. Shakira sorted her shapes into 2 groups, which we already said. Group A is, these are going to be open, and if you forget what it's called, it's right here, an open figure. We won't call it a polygon, it's a figure. Is open you know what I should say. Group A are open figures. I want to make sure my sentence is correct. Then I'm going to say group B those look like regular polygons. So So that's all you had to do. You didn't have to say why she would do it or anything. You just had to say how you think so. There might be some other answers. So if you've come up with something and you're not sure, please send us a message, either me or your homeroom teacher. And I'm going to stop this video and then make another one for the practice.